Hey guys,
it's Joni and Kara.
And we're back for another video about 5,000 years later, but today we're just gonna vlog our plans that we have, so stay tuned. So guys, we're walking out of Target. Whoa, it's bright out here. And then we're gonna head down to Children's Mercy Park for the Sporting Kansas City game. Go Sporting!
Hey. All niggas got stripes. Ready? Big pigs, big so woo. Hello. What it roll?
We're stuck.
Okay guys, we found our parking spot and now we're gonna walk in. We're at the sporting game. It's actually really packed and it's really nice out.
Yeah, it's a really nice day.
Hey guys, so we just got through security and it took forever because we have blankets in our bags and a cash, but we're walking to our seats now. This is Kara's first sporting game, and I'm taking her V card for sporting.
Oh yeah.
And I'm so excited.
Please remain standing for our national anthem, being sung this afternoon by Ron Gutierrez.
O'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Kansas City fans, be sure after the game on your way home to tune in to Sports Radio 810 WAT and the final whistle for live post-game.
So we're walking out. We left left with like 5 minutes left of the game because of traffic reasons, but we're currently winning 2-0. And now we're gonna go to Chipotle because we're starving and did not want to pay $15 for some chicken strips and fries. So we'll stay tuned.
So cold, oh my gosh.
It is freezing, and that heated blanket really didn't work that well. It was a good idea, but
I'm off leaning ginger ale on my shit glossy. 90,000 what?
All right, we made it to Chipotle.
I'm tired.
I know, same.
Okay guys, so we're back home and we're gonna go edit this video now, but we got Chipotle and that was a very interesting experience.
That was like the grossest Chipotle I've ever been in.
It looked very unsanitary, and the guy in front of us ordered 4 burritos.
Yeah.
And then the lady, like, we were asking for our bowls and she gave us this much rice.
Yeah, so we had to ask her like 3 times to,
and she was like, more rice? We're like, yeah.
She was like low-key giving us attitude. I was like, we just want our rice. You literally said you're like double rice, and she put like 2 scoops in.
Yeah.
We were just like.
And then the guy we were checking out, Kara gave him like her card, and like she like didn't transfer money over, and so like he didn't even say anything.
He didn't even like notice.
And
like
Kara
if I didn't
was
say
like,
anything, we would have like paid like $3 for it.
Kara was like, I don't think there's enough money on that. Did it go through? And he was like, nope.
He was like, I'm glad you
Good
told
catch.
me because like I wouldn't have noticed. And I was like, good job.
Nice.
Like really good job.
Yeah. So we're home. We're gonna eat. We had fun at the game. We won, so that's good. And yep, it was a good experience. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, we hope you guys enjoy this. It's
It's
gonna be kind of
different.
like a montage / a vlog. We didn't really talk that much in it, but
It's different than all of our other videos, but since
Yeah.
I just got this new GoPro, we were just testing the water. So, thanks guys! So K-Baby and JoJo are out!